Manila, a city of contrast, where towering skyscrapers cast long shadow over sprawling slums. In the city of extremes, a series of gruesome murders send shockwaves through the community. Our story follows Detective Inspector Ramirez and his partner, Officer Diaz, as they unravel a dark secret hidden beneath the city's surface. The bodies are found in the city's poorest districts, each victim bearing the same chilling mark. The coroner, burdened by the weight of his grim discoveries, offers little comfort.
Yes, Detective Ramirez speaking.
Another one. Same pattern repeated. These aren't just murders, Inspector. Their statement.
What do you mean statements?
Someone trying to send a message, and they're choosing their victims carefully.
We only have evidence. Ma'am, someone's looking for you. Coroner, I'll call you later, okay? Someone's looking for me. It must be important.
Okay, have a good day then.
Okay. Talk to you later. Bye.
A street boy, silent witness to the horrors unfolding around him. His fear is palpable, but he holds a clue, a small, almost insignificant piece of the puzzle. Guided by their instinct and their commitment to justice, delve deeper into the city's underbelly. They navigate the maze of poverty, corruption, and indifference, facing danger in every turn. They interview witnesses, follow leads, and piece together the fragments of a horrifying truth. As they get closer to the truth, they realize the killer is not just a murderer, but a meticulous artist of death, leaving behind a trail of cryptic clues. The circle of suspects shrinks, smaller and smaller, until only one remains. In the end, the truth is revealed, a shocking expose of the dark side of human nature, hidden beneath the veneer of bustling city. The case highlights the inequalities that plague society, leaving the detectives to grapple with the moral complexities of their findings. The circles may have closed, but the questions remain. What happened to those left behind? How do we address the injustice that breeds such darkness?